How to fix live option not showing on TikTok. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store or an App Store. In the search bar, search for TikTok. Head over to this app. So right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. You need to wait for a while for it to complete. Once it is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. Move into apps. Tap on see all apps. Right here, search for the application TikTok, and then head over to it. Move into storage and cache. Over here, clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the app, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on TikTok. But if you are still facing this issue, then what else you can do is simply report the problem to the TikTok support, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to fix live option not showing on TikTok. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.